Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to connect music to Govee lights. And so the setup that I'm running right now is 2 Govee floor lamps plus 1 Govee TV backlight 3. So in order to connect them to music, what you want to do is have the Govee home app installed first. And so you're going to click on the Govee home app. Then connect your devices. So again, I'm running a 2 floor lamp plus 1 backlight setup. If you're interested in any of these, I'll leave a link to these down below in the description. Now there's multiple ways to connect your backlights and floor lamps to music. The way I do it is I first click on the TV backlight, have this connect, and then afterwards you're going to see this menu called Movie Watching Dream View, okay? And this is what I really like about the Govee TV backlight 3. So once you click that on, you're going to enter this page here. You want to click on Manage Devices, and you want to add all your devices here that you want added or basically going in sync with the music. So as you can see here, I have my 2 floor lamps and the checkbox are ticked. Now, once I actually toggle this on, you want to toggle on Dream View. And as you can see, the 2 floor lamps are going on, and so is the backlight, and they match accordingly together. Now, the last thing is to add movie sound effects or sound effects to music. So in order to do this, you want to go ahead and scroll down. And you see where it says sound effects, you want to toggle this on. So once you toggle this on, it's actually listening to the sound in the room. And as you can see, it's kind of like flashing on and off according to my voice. So test, 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 test. So it's very like sensitive to sound, which really makes it neat. And I love how the lights actually respond together, and it's not just the backlight itself. So again, there's multiple ways to do this. Okay, I like just toggling on sound effects, and so that works perfectly fine with music that I'm playing on the TV. And again, the setup that I'm running is 2 floor lamps plus 1 backlight. So if you're interested in a setup like this, I'll leave links to these down below in the description. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys all in the next video. Take care.